Planning to do MS in the US but confused whether it's a good option for you or not? Well, in this video, we will talk about the education cost, jobs, salary, ROI, the quality of education in the United States. We keep creating informative content related to study abroad. If you are serious about studying abroad and want to know more, do subscribe to our channel now. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. So, let's get started. Master's degree of Science in the United States of America is pursued after gaining fundamental knowledge in their field of interest. The American education system presents a wealthy field of choices for global students. There is an array of schools, programs, and locations that the choices might overwhelm any scholar, even those from the US. As you start your school search, it's significant to make yourself known to the American education system. Understanding the system will assist you to narrow down your choices and develop your learning plan. So let's talk about the quality of education in USA universities. Getting an MS degree from the US is a daydream which is fostered by thousands of scholars from all over the globe. American universities are recognized for the high quality of education and enjoy a good status worldwide. Besides, worldwide exposure helps students to increase their skills, knowledge, and experiences. Though not everybody can make up for this dream due to the country's high standard of living. Study in the USA is a big and expensive affair and must not be taken carelessly. A little study about the universities and courses can aid you to grab a good chance. Now, let's talk about the ROI, that is, return on investment. What is the education cost of MS degree in the USA versus salaries received post-qualification? The first most important factor in decision making is the financial factor. To calculate the return on investment, let's compare tuition fees with the salary to see how much in the end you are going to save. The tuition fee depends on your course, the duration of the course, and the most importantly, in which university you are doing your degree. The required duration of any MS program is 1.5 years. The total average expense for your studies for a total of 1.5 years, that is $50,000. It could be less if you have any scholarship. Average savings per year when you are employed after doing MS, that is $30,000. It could be more depending on the field in which you have done your degree and more importantly on your skills. Total saving for 3 years, that is $90,000 minus $50,000, loan without considering interest, is equal to $40,000. Not a poor ROI at all. Now that we have discussed the ROI of MS in the US, let's also see the career options available. If you have masters on your CV, the first thing that indicates a recruiter is that you have an interest in your chosen field. The second thing is your set of skills that will get enhanced. If your bachelor degree is not from a very much reputed college, it can be overlooked by your master's. A postgraduate degree opens the door in some fields, not in much. For example, if you have done your master's in designing, the recruiter will be more interested in your portfolios rather than your PG degree. On the other hand, as a postgraduate doctorate is given preference over a medical graduate. If we talk in terms of salary, employees with master's degree have an edge over graduate employees. According to the US Census Bureau, employees with a master's degree have an edge over other colleagues. They earn 15% more than their colleagues. A postgraduate degree holder has a better chance of getting a promotion earlier in their chosen path of study. Now, You might be thinking if you should gain work experience or pursue masters. One may think this way: instead of paying tuition fees for masters, he should better use that time earning money and gain practical skills of a workplace at the same time. According to the executive recruiter at Hook the Talent Inc., Rosemary Guzman Hook says the experience value increase with the master's degree, as now you have both practical knowledge and theoretical expertise. Now, coming to the most important question: is your master's university in the USA good enough to help your career? Of course, in the end, what matters is from which university and college you have done your master's degree. Make sure before applying, the university should fulfill the following list. First, does a master program go well with your future? Second, from which country you are doing your PG? Third, what value does the currency of that country held in the job market? Fourth, check out the faculty and curriculum. Are they matching the high standards? Fifth, what is the return on investment? Sixth, at what time you will be reaching a break-even point? So do check out these points before starting your master's journey. So that's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can let us know in the comment section below. And check out our playlist Study in the US and other related videos by clicking on the I button. Until then, take the leap and I will see you in the next video.